Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add quantity option on Shopify. Let's get started. So let's first head over and view what our store looks like. So as you can see on my store right here, and when I head over to any products that I have, like for example this one, as you can see, I only have the option to add this to my cart. And when I try to do this and click on add to cart, I only see this view cart right here, and I can only just edit out the cart selection from in here. So what I can do in order to add a quantity option is to head over in here on my themes. Now click on this customize option, and then this will open your Shopify editor. Now click on this home page, click on this products, click on this default product, and once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So what we can do is we can head over and click on this plus option, which is the add block option. Now search in here for quantity selector. So let's search in here for that. And you should be able to see this. So click on this quantity selector. And then as you can see, it will be added just like this. Now save this option. And now let's head back again to our store in order to see what it will look like. So what we can do is we can head over and then refresh this site. And once you have refreshed it, as you can see, we have now this quantity selector that we can adjust according to our liking. And we can now add this to cart or buy it now. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.